Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be solving the assignment questions. This assignment question, this you'll be doing this circuit diagram one, two, question one and two, question one, two, three in this tutorial. Yeah, I've dropped a video before that contains the solution to question one, but my attention was called to an error to something. This 10k here, it is not resistor. I use resistor in the first something is it is potentiometer, so I'm going to be redoing it in this video tutorial. So it's a potentiometer of 10 kilo ohms. So um let's get started. So firstly, you have to log into your dashboard, and we've talked about all these ones in the first tutorial video. Then you come here, click on create circuit. So we are solving the first assignment question. You can just give it a name. You can name it assignment one. So in the first question, we need DC motor, we need a 3-volt cell battery, and we need a potentiometer of 10 kilo ohms. So let's get our stuffs out. We need a 3-volt cell, we need a DC motor, we also need the potentiometer, which is this. Yeah. So now, coming to the question, you can see that this place is the positive terminal. Take note, and why this place is the negative terminal of the battery. So it is the positive terminal of the battery that is going to this side of the potentiometer. So let us flip this first. So we could connect it. So then for this, we could flip this like this, or leave it down like this. So from our question, no, it has to stand right like this. Let us leave it like this, something like this. You can make it like this for it to be more neater. So then you have to connect this. You have to go and, sorry. You have to connect this port to this port here. Then you are meant to connect this port. You are meant to connect this positive port to this port, then to this port. Then this negative port is connecting to this, then to this. So now let's get started. So we have to make our design as okay as possible. So you can just shift this one like this, so it will be very okay. Then you can bring this out. You click on it to break it. You can come here and just to join it. Just join it. So double tap to join. Or you come and join it at the port rather. So that you're able to join it. This is too tall, so let us undo it. Click on that port, then you come down and this is looking more okay. So yeah, let's leave this way. It's more okay this way. Now let's connect the negative terminal. can make this like this. Can make this one here. Come. Let's make this come here. So the arrangement of the wire is left to you. Depends on how you want to do it. So now let's connect this terminal. And here we go. Here we go. So for the first question, so the arrangement of the wire is just left to you, like the arrangement, but the main thing is for you to get how to connect it. So you can just arrange it as you like. So without wasting much time. So this is sorry, this should be the red wire. This is the red, this is the positive terminal. This should be the red one, and while this should be the black terminal. Let me select it. Okay. So yeah, here we are. So that's for the first question. So let's move to the second question. Without wasting much time. So you come over your create, you click on create circuit, click on create circuit. So for the second one, we need a 3 volts battery, we need an LDR, photo resistor, and we also need a DC motor. So we need a 3 volts cell, we need a DC motor, and we need an LDR, which are photo resistor. So now I flip this. This can bring this here. So for the positive here to be up, don't forget we need to flip it. So we can flip it like this, so that the positive will be up. You know, we have to connect the positive to this place. You have to connect this positive here. Then the negative terminal will connect directly with each other according to the circuit diagram. The negative terminal is under here. It's connected directly to the on this motor, while this is connected to the LDR, and this battery is also connected to the LDR. So let's do the connection. Let's do the connection now. So you click on that dot for it to break. You click on this part, so you can just move this up little. I can move this one to form a straight line. You can move it up to form a straight line. So the design will be neat. Then this can break here. That was too tall. That was too long. We can make it straight. Want to make it a straight line. Yeah, I think this is better. This is better. This is better. Let's just leave this one like this. So I think this is better. So now we can color our, then we sel I can I will select this wire. I want to color it red. Select this wire also, color it red, then color this black. Then I'm done with assignment 2. Assignment 2. And it's assignment 2. 2. That's for assignment 2. So now let's move to assignment 3. So for the third question, we need a push button, we need a DC motor, we also need a 3 volt battery. So as usual, we click on create, then we click on circuit to create our circuit diagram, design and simulate it. So simulate it. So okay, yeah, there we are. Then we need this DC motor, a push button, about a push button, a battery, then a DC motor. Just as usual, so that this will be at the top, the positive will be at the top. So I'm not just connecting this positive terminal to this push button and from here to this. I'm not just selecting just based on my wish. I'm selecting based on the diagram. So we are following the diagram. Look at this diagram. Look at this part here. It's the positive terminal of the battery. Why this smaller part here is the negative terminal. We can see that the negative terminal of the battery, of the coin battery, is connected directly to the DC motor. That's why I have to flip this. That's how to flip it so that I'll be able to connect it easily and connect this negative, the positive rather, to this part and this positive to this part. So let's start the connection. So firstly, we can make this one a straight diagram, a straight line rather. Then coming to this part, also make this one. Then just one click there to cut it, to break. Then here we are. Then now let's connect this. Let's just make it short. Then connect, then connect. Make it better. Then let's label this part. Alright. So you can just arrange as you like. The arrangement is just to make the work neat. Just make sure your wire doesn't cross each other while arranging, which is very, which is going to be very long. The arrangement is just to make the design look presentable and very okay. So without wasting much time, this is all for the assignment question 1, 2, and 3. So subscribe to this YouTube channel to get notified while I drop the video for the last question, which is assignment question 4 on this MTE312 rather.